I find myself reading the local newspaper a lot, mostly the obituary section. Well, there's normally at least one fewer Christmas card I'll need to send. Hey, you want to hear something? I just spotted the same crossword clue for an 11-letter word in two different newspapers. Coincidence? Say, do you consider yourself a bit of a William Shakespeare? Want to reach thousands of people and show that you're an expert at whatever it is you do? And all for free? Call up your local paper and ask if they'd like you to write an advice column. Back in the day, everybody wanted to do this. Not so much anymore with everyone having a blog and whatnot. So think about it. There might be a lot of value in it. Write up an example and send it to the local news editor. That's quite a way to establish yourself as an expert to be actually published in a physical printed paper. What's more is once you've written your article, it could very easily become a blog post and vice versa. Not sure what to write about? That's easy too. What's the most common problem that your customers might run into? Write about that. Explain what causes it, and what can be done to remedy it, and whether or not it's something that they could do themselves, or need a professional to help them out with it. If this has given you something to think about in your marketing, why not help me out and click that subscribe button and share this with your other business friends? We'll see you next time.